Hello, my favorite student. Today we are going to make a well. So are you excited? Well then let's see what do we have in our book. Wow, we see a beautiful well right here. Let's see the 4 steps and start making this. Have you ever seen a well in real life? We see them usually in villages. Let's start with the first part, which is the top roof of our well. This covers the well and makes sure that no leaves or any other particles get inside the water. The next thing we do is make these lines and then the bottom part of the well. Let's make this oval right here. Make sure you try and draw a very thin one. After that, let's make the bottom part. And then join these 2 lines with a curved line. Something like this. We will start by making another oval inside. And then this curved line. After that, let's make this part. At first, we will make this very lightly. So just in case we need to erase it, we can erase it and make it once again. And then, let's make these lines with the help of our scale. The next thing we do is the sleeping line right here. Let's make this handle. Yes, the one with which we get the water up. This looks very interesting, isn't it? Let's make a standing line for the rope right here. And then let's make the one which is on top of this pole. Yes, rolled up like this. Let's start giving it a finishing now. Try and erase all the overlapping parts so that you do not sketch it by mistake. Let's make this part slowly and nicely. Yes, the bricks right here. We will try and make 1 brick between 2 bricks. Something like this. This looks lovely. Let's make it inside as well. We can make this properly with a sketch pen now. Let's start sketching this together with a black sketch pen. Let's go right on top of the pencil marks, and just in case if we have any pencil marks which are not being erased, then you can do so and start sketching the fair drawing. Continue sketching the top part now. Do not use a scale for this and try a freehand drawing. This is going to help you improve your drawing. Continue sketching the bottom part now. This looks interesting. Finally, let's start making these bricks. All you have to do is try and make a rectangle like this. Let's make the rectangles together. This looks brilliant. Continue doing the same thing inside as well. This looks great. We will start coloring now. Let's take a dark brown color and start from the bottom. At first, we will do the outline for this and color inside. Yes, we will press the color first and then slowly and steadily start releasing the pressure. We have changed the color on top, which is a beige or an ochre color. The next thing we do is take a darker brown, do it at the top of the pole, and then start with an ochre color and get it downwards. Now let's take the ochre color and do it only on the corners. Yes, as this is how it's shown in the book. Let's do the same thing inside. And then start coloring with a grey color. This is going to give us a beautiful shade. Release the pressure and color very lightly with the help of your grey color. This looks very interesting. And finally, let's take yellow color for the rope. This looks perfect. And look, our well is ready.